Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today I'm going to show you how to make best peanut butter squares. And just like the name implies, it is one of the very best. They're not only quick and easy to make, but they really taste absolutely delicious. And you'll only need a few simple ingredients. But before we get started, I would ask that you check out my first cookbook. It's available to you on Amazon. I have also provided a quick link in the description below this video. The cookbook is called Homemade Meals and Appetizers Made Easy. It's a collection of some of the most watched videos on my channel, so go ahead and get your copy. Alright, so let's get right back to today's featured recipe. We'll start by placing 1 cup of graham wafer crumbs into a large mixing bowl. Also add 1 cup of icing sugar. Then add 2/3 of a cup of smooth peanut butter. Then add half a cup of melted butter. Take a large spoon and mix it until it's really well combined. Now prepare an 8 by 8 inch cake pan by lightly greasing it and placing parchment paper in the bottom. Spoon the peanut butter mixture into the cake pan. Now be sure and press it firmly into the bottom of the pan till it's nice and even. Now place it in the fridge to chill for about a half an hour. And while we're waiting for that to chill, let's go ahead and make the next layer. Place 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips into a small bowl. And simply add about 1 heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. Then microwave this on high until it starts to melt. Roughly 15 to 20 seconds, and you should check it, and if it's partially melted like this, that's fine. You don't want to overdo it, so take a spoon and stir it together and it will melt the rest of the way. Okay, so this is looking nice and smooth, so we're ready now to add it over top of the base mixture. And this has been chilled in the fridge, so it's nice and firm, but it's also very cold. So when you pour the chocolate over it, work quickly so that your chocolate doesn't harden up too fast before you can spread it. Now if you want to, you can add some crushed dry roasted peanuts. And this would just go on top for a little bit of decoration and add a little bit of extra flavor. And it'll add a little bit of crunch, but if you want to keep it completely smooth, you don't have to add them at all. So I'm just going to do half and half here. Now all that's left is to chill it again so that we can cut them into squares. This time I would leave them in the fridge for probably about an hour, or a little bit longer if you have the time. And once they're set nicely, then remove them from the fridge, loosen up the edges with a knife. And this is where the parchment paper helps out a little bit. It comes out all in one piece. You can pull off the parchment paper and then flip it over and cut it into squares or bars. And I'm using a sharp knife here, and I think I'll cut it into about 2-inch squares. And it's kind of nice that some of them have the chopped peanuts on the top and the other side is smooth. It just makes it a little bit more showy and fun to serve on a platter. You can keep these in an airtight container in the freezer for up to several weeks, or if you wanted to keep them just in the fridge for probably up to 1 week. The problem with these squares are they're so good that they don't even last in the fridge for a week because they get ate up before then. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your support of this channel, for watching the ads that are attached to the channel, and for giving it a thumbs up. That's very helpful, and for your comments in the comments section. And don't forget to purchase your copy of my new cookbook. I hope you enjoy this recipe today. Now go make some.